How to change your template on Squarespace. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can change up your template on Squarespace. So firstly, come on to squarespace.com. After that, once you guys have logged in, click on the top right where it says get started. And then after that, simply click on website from over here. And then after that, wait for a few seconds. And then from over here, click on the left side on where it says design. And then click on site styles. And then on the right side, you guys are going to basically have the site styles. You have the option to change up the font, the colors, the animations, the spacing, the buttons, and the image blocks as well. So previously, Squarespace actually gave you an option through which you guys could actually change up every single thing about the website, including the template. But nowadays they basically give you complete customization control over your website. So basically you won't have to change up the template anymore because they do not give you that option anymore. You guys can just simply modify every single thing about the website and make it completely original, exactly according to the template that you wanted to use. So guys, that is how you can change up the template on Squarespace. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.